Hi everyone, here in this reel we are going to prepare baked New York style cheesecake and it's eggless, and the ingredients which we need for preparing this cheesecake I have already mentioned in the caption. You can check there. And here we have prepared the base crust and now settling it and refrigerating it. And now in cream cheese we are mixing hung curd, condensed milk, amul cream. I have used 25% fat cream and corn flour to it, and we are preparing a mixture out of it. We'll be adding lemon juice also. If you wish, you can add lemon zest as well. Mixing this completely fine. The batter of this cheesecake should be smooth only. Now going to bake it, and as it was a loose bottom pan, I have covered it with foil and parchment paper. After baking, we have refrigerated it overnight, and now we have taken it out, and here I have prepared fresh strawberry compote or filling, I can say, and I have topped it with that. And trust me, it is tasting amazing. You can try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. For the compote recipe, strawberry compote recipe, you can check my other reel.